Unsa galing ala ni nga palace?
Grand Palace.
Grand Palace. So this is the Grand Palace of Thailand. So mo ni among first stop sa moang tour package. Dili siya tour package eh. Garintara day mi o car. And then individual. Kami na yung nagbayad sa entrance. So the entrance of the Grand Palace is 500 baht.
ตามมานะคะเดี๋ยวพี่จะบอกอะไรให้ฟังนิดนึงไหนๆก็ต้องมาแล้วก็ต้องมีความรู้
So nice yung structure.
นี้กำลังเป็นวัย
Miat asa gi gold ani miat kanino? Miat gold na tikar no? Oh dili di ay. Sabi na ko gold, pure gold.
Yes. Ay mo ana gid niya.
So mo ni akong friend.
Ana best better. Gilid
And this is Dayan. Ati Car. Dayan. Ati Car. And Emmy. My high school batch. So we've been friends for how many years? Since first year high school up to this moment. No kani ang travel hack ni siya tipid-tipid nga budget sa traveling. So dili kinahanglan nga imuhang tour or laag expensive, pwede siya budget. Yes. May gistikar ka mo ang gol. Hindi ko kabalo. Na lang. Atikar, imong talent, imo jud nang ikuan. Sayang, Atikar. Timor na gifted kay talent ba ng skills ba ng photography, Atikar. Skills na siya. Ayaw sayangi. Yes, oy. Details kayo ang structure sa kuan. Huh? See? See? Amazing. Kinsay kuan aning niya. Architect. Amazing. Architect. Ano sana? Civil engineer.
Sige.
Ano sana? Sige. Okay.